This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Taylor. Great home with many updates and upgrades. Does need carpet in the family and dining area, and seller is offering a $3,500 allowance to replace carpet. Fresh paint, all appliances in home convey. 2 doors down from the community pool and tennis courts. Study/3RD bedroom. Home has tile, wood, carpet, granite counters and kitchen black appliances with stainless steel features on the flat cooktop stove. Location is everything, and this home has it. Just minutes to grocery store, shopping, dining, beachside and local airport. Home is on a nice waterfront lot with a few large trees in back. Enclosed lanai that is air-conditioned space to enjoy the views. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Taylor at 321-308-0334.